Hi there! Let me show you how to recover deleted or lost raw images using Remo Recover 5.0. Launch the software. Select the drive from which you are trying to recover deleted or lost raw images and click on Scan. After a quick scan, the software will display the recovered data. The red X mark on the raw photos folder denotes it is a deleted folder recovered by the software. Double-click on a file to preview. Select the files and folders you are looking to recover and click on Save. Recovery Session helps you to open the recovery results without rescanning the drive again. Click on Browse and select the location to save the recovered data. Do not save the recovered data to the same drive from which you are trying to recover. Click on Save. The software has successfully recovered the deleted raw images. Thanks for watching.